there might be a benefit to some of these autocratic organizations, though, to just blame that person. What would be an incentive for them to not take the easy route?
What would be an incentive for them not to blame somebody?
Yeah. I mean, that's the low hanging fruit. We're going to give you more training. We're going to fire you. We're going to write you up.
So we know that that won't work. The three most common corrective actions: discipline, training, and procedures, which all comes from blame. We're going to write the person up for making a mistake. We're going to retrain them and everybody else with that same great training that caused them to make a mistake in the first place. And then we're going to document that, give it to HR, put it in the procedure so that if anybody screws up in the future,
point right back at it.
boom, you signed this paper that said you had that training. It's here in the procedure. You jack, you're out the door. So that's typical. That's like, bread and butter for most organizations, and HR guys, they'll tell you got to do those things in order to fire somebody. To get organizations away from it, the incentive is you can actually fix problems. Because you're doing discipline and training, those are some of the weakest things that you can do to fix issues. And so you see repeat failures.
Right.
And I don't know what you define it as, but doing the same thing again and again and expecting different results. Insanity.
Yeah.
So we have to get away from insanity. We have to go to a system that actually looks at what allows people to make a mistake and what can we change in our system to make it less likely.